department, and the winners are from the mechanical department. From the football, the runners-up are from the mechanical department. The football runners-up are from the mechanical department. And the winners are from the SLH department. Followed by the winners from the SLH department. The volleyball runners-up are from the EC department. Followed by the volleyball winners from the mechanical department. The kabaddi runners-up are from the SLH department. Followed by the kabaddi winners from Tripoli department. The ball badminton runners are from the EC department. And ball badminton winners from Tripoli department. The cricket runners-up are from the Tripoli department. And the winners are from the EC department. The chess runners-up are from the EC department. by the winners from Mechanical Department. The table tennis runners-up are from the Mechanical Department. Followed by the winners from ECE Department. The Carrom runners-up are from SNH Department. Followed by the Carrom winners from EEE Department. Badminton runners-up are from the ECE Department. Followed by the winners from SNH Department.
I request all the track and field prize winners to be ready, come forward and be ready. Medals aren't really made of gold, silver or bronze. They're made of sweat, determination and a hard-to-find alloy called guts. Starting with the women track and field events, for 100 meters, Kritika from the Department of CSE has secured the third place. The second place goes to Amala M from the Department of ECE. The first place goes to Sajeevi R from the Department of ECE. For 200 meters, Subhadra A from SNH has secured the third place. Second place goes to Amla M from ECE Department. The first place goes to Sajeevi R from ECE Department. For the 400 meters, Shantapriya R from EEE has won the third place. Akshaya R from SNH has won the second place. Lizzie S from ECE Department has won the first place. For 800 meters, Viveka from the Department of EEE has won the third place. Gayatri J from the Department of EEE has won the second place. Lizzie S from ECE has won the first place. For 1500 meters, Harini R from ECE has won the third place. The second place goes to Vaishalini V of SNH. And the first place goes to Gayatri J of EEE. For long jump, the third place goes to Kritika K from CSC department. The second place goes to Amla M from ECE department. And the first place goes to Sajini R from ECE department. For the shot put event, Praveena from Tripoli has secured the third place. Priya from SNH has won the second place. Kohila from Tripoli has won the first place. For the javelin, the third place goes to Radha Priyanka B of ECE. The second place goes to Uma Devi B from IT. And the first place goes to Suganti D of SNH. For the disc throw, the third place goes to Sajeevi R from ECE. The second place goes to Saundarya N of ECE. And the first place goes to Sweta S of IT. For 4 into 100 relay, the third place goes to Tripoli department. The members are Gayatri J, Sasirekha Y, Gohila B, Rupama K. The second place goes to SNH department. The members are R. Akshaya, D. Suganti, A. Subhadra and K. C. Kirtana. The first place goes to ECE department. The members are Sajeevi R, Amla M, Lizzie S and Nisha A. For 4 into 400 meters relay, the third place goes to SNH department. Members are Priyadarshini R, Kirtana KC, J Priya and Subhadra A. The second place goes to ECE department. The members are Sajeevi R, Amla M, Lizzie S and Nisha A. The first place goes to Tripoli department. The members are Gayatri J, Lavanya Priya S, Narmada Priyanka and Kohila B. Now starting with the men's track and field events, 100 meters. The third place goes to Naveen D of EC department. Yashwant Kumar PT has secured the second place from SNH department. And the first place goes to Arun Kirti RA from EC department. For 200 meters, the third place goes to R.A. Arun Kirti from EC department. The second place goes to V. Venugopal of mechanical department. And the first place goes to K. Arun Pushparajan from mechanical department. For the 400 meters, S.J. Wasim Akram has received the third place from ECE department. B. Balakrishnan from SNH has secured the second place. And B. Vignesh from SNH has secured the first place. For 800 meters, Gokul Ram M from IT has secured the third place. Gokul P of SNH has secured the second place. K. Abdul Rahman of Triply department has secured the first place. For 1500 meters, Inya Sharat R from SNH department has secured the third place. Balamurali Krishna K from Triply department has secured the second place. And K. Abdul Rahman of Triply department has secured the first place. For the event of long jump, the third place goes to Kamaraj A, Mechanical Department. The second place goes to Surendra G of Triply Department. And the first place goes to Harish T of Triply Department. For triple jump, the third place goes to Kamaraj A of Mechanical Department. Surendra G has secured the second place from Triply Department. Vignesh B from SNH has secured the first place. For the shot put, the third place goes to Shamir S of SNH. The second place goes to M. Shivaguru of Mechanical Department. And the first place goes to Maxwell Grimston of Mechanical Department. For the javelin, the third place goes to S. Kamaraj of Triply Department. The second place goes to Shan Mailvasan from Triply Department. The first place goes to S. Govindaraj of Mechanical Department. For the disc throw, the third place goes to Vinod MP of CSE Department. The second place goes to Ayappan P of Triply Department. And the first place goes to Maxwell Grimston A of Mechanical Department. Relay 4 into 100. The third place goes to Triply Department. The members are Wasim Akram, Ram Shankar Anand, B. Karthik and D. Naveen. The second place goes to Mechanical Department. The members are S. Karthik, B. Karthik, K. Arun Pushparajan and P. Atmanathan. The first place goes to Triply Department. The members are S. Dinesh Kumar, A. Karthikeyan, P. Kruba and P. T. Harish. For 4 into 400 relay, the third place goes to mechanical department. The members are M. Sandeep, S. Raghuram, N. Shaktivel, S. Kartikeyan. The second place goes to SNH. The members are Deepan S., Kishore Kumar G, Jyoti Manikandan and R. Inyo Sharat.